Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Youngseon Hwang's house here in Duluth. We're going to be removing a damaged shingle today. I'm going to be removing this shingle right here. Here's a condition shot of the shingles before. This is their left-facing slope. I'm gonna let you guys follow along with me during this repair. As you can see, this is the damaged shingle. The tab ends right there. So I went ahead and marked the whole tab so you guys can see it in the video. We'll be removing that shingle, which is those 3 tabs. Like I said, I'll let you guys follow along, try to get you guys angled out of the sun. Alrighty. Nails are a little overdriven, guys. That one. Yeah, they are. All these nails are overdriven. Getting lucky getting them out. Alright. Oh, and by the way, guys, I forgot to mention when we started the video, we are using the Weatherwood Certainteed XT25. I took a picture of the bundle down at the truck in front of the house. That is what the RLS report came back as, the same shingle. Oops, looks like we got one more nail over here. All right, should just pop out now, guys. New shingle in its place. Decking right there. Sounded hollow. Alrighty, guys. New shingle in place. Get you guys over here. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Here's the new shingle in its place. Now for video purposes, we do have a lot of loose granules at the top of these shingles, so the next wind, storm, rain, any kind of inclement weather, it's gonna knock these loose granules off. So for the video purposes, if I lightly rub my hand across these shingles, you can see all the granules coming off here, but you can mostly see them on the shingles themselves. Like I said, for the video purposes, go ahead and speed this up. I will go ahead and chalk these as well, just in case the quality of the video is poor. But as you can tell, these shingles over here were unaffected by the repair. If I were to do the same motion to these, you know, no granules are coming off. There are no loose granules because they weren't manipulated and lifted for the repair. But as you can tell, these shingles are very brittle. Poor ventilation on this roof has caused them to bake for years, and this is the outcome when you do repair a shingle. So thank you guys for your consideration. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you.